and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get this full face of makeup including lashes in 15 minutes. There are a few steps that you probably could cut out to cut your time down. However, these are the steps that I usually do pretty much all the time in my makeup routine. The one thing that is going to save you a lot of time is the lashes that I'm going to show you. I think a lot of people think 15 minutes including lashes. It takes me 15 minutes alone to put lashes on. Well, I am about to change that and show you guys a little trick and some fabulous products to cut down your time of putting on lashes and make it achievable for everybody to get ready 15 minutes with lashes. So if you guys are super excited, want to see how I did this and what products I am about to use, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to just clip my hair back just so it is out of my face and out of the way. Okay, so now that is done, I'm going to get my phone. I'm going to start the timer. So I'm just going to go into clock and we're going to go into timer, and I want to add it for 15 minutes. Maybe I can get this done quicker than 15 actually. There has been times where I literally am like, I only have about 10 minutes to get ready. And I will put lashes on. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do your full makeup. I'm talking contour, highlight, everything, plus lashes. So that is what I'm about to show you guys. So I'm about to set my phone for 15 minutes so we can get started, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I am using. Okay, starting. The first thing I like to go in with is my primer. I'm going in with the Rimmel Radiance Primer. And I'm just popping a bit of that on the back of my hand. So usually about that much. My Real Techniques face brush. I need to pick up my big palette here. So I like to just cover my face. And literally how fast I'm doing it is seriously how fast I do it when I'm trying to get ready. So once all of that is on, I'm then going to go in with my concealer. I work a little bit back to front. So the concealer I'm going in with is the Makeup Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define. And I just like to really put that underneath my eye. And just a little bit here. Again, going with that same brush. Now, sometimes I do put my foundation on first and then I do my concealer. However, sometimes I like to do it this way, and this is the way I've been doing it recently. If you guys watched any of my Instagram, or if you guys seen any of my photos, I did do a video and a photo on how I did my makeup following a Scott Barnes tutorial. Now he does J-Lo and I am obsessed. So he ended up doing a video with Tati, and I watched it and I absolutely loved it. So since then I've sort of been doing it back to front. The other thing he usually does right now is he'll go in with you know what, we're just going to do it so then you guys can see. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Coca. And I'm going to apply this. So obviously right now I do look a little crazy, but you wait. And again, I'm just going to blend that in. Do you like to take it up to my temples? What's left over on the brush, I just bring it down onto my jawline. So same again. Just popping that in. Now sometimes it does look a little bit dramatic where it looks a little crazy like this, but it's the end result we're looking for. The end result. I like to bring that right up into my brow. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going in with the NARS All Day Luminous foundation. This is a semi-matte. I've been mixing it up and doing matte and then a little not so matte, but we're going to go matte today. So again, I'm just going to pop some on the back of my hand. I usually do about 4 drops and then see how we go. Again, and then just going to apply that over those areas. In my mirror. And I do like to go over my lid. I'm just going to get a little bit more foundation. I'm going to do another 2 drops. Pick that up with my brush. And again, I like to bring that right into my brows because I am going to cover that in a minute. Okay, bring that down my neck. Okay, now that is all set. Next I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I absolutely love this. Sometimes I do bake it. Don't really have time today. I'm on a 15-minute thing. Let's just say I'm running late for work and I need to get my face on. So, take it to my bag. Getting my Real Techniques setting brush. So I tip it into the lid. The first thing I do is go right underneath my eyes and set that, and I push that in. Same with underneath here. And then very lightly. I just go along. I do my forehead. This powder is like a godsend. Oh my god, if you have not tried it, you need to. It is absolutely amazing. Yeah, I know it's pricey, but you've not lived until you've tried Laura Mercier powder. And that is my final review. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm now going to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer in caramel. I absolutely love Benefit. Oh my god, their bronzers are like no other. It's all I use. I'm obsessed. So I like to go right into those cheekbones. And then I like to bring it into my jawline again. I mean, if you guys like to just cream contour, or if you just like to use powder, then by all means you don't have to do both the steps. But for me, I just really like doing both the steps. I find I love to do a cream powder and then do a bronzer on top. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I don't want nothing too crazy. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is in Twinkle Pink. And my Real Techniques brush, and add my blush. Then I'm going in with my MAC Show Gold and Techniques brush. Do you think I have a thing for Real Techniques? I think I have a thing for Real Techniques brushes. Anyway, just nose, forehead, cheekbones, lip. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Brow Zings with my Zoeva 322 brush. And I'm going to just do my brows. Now, one thing I love about this product is it's not a heavy product, so you can do it very lightly. I guess if you aren't someone who uses like a gel to powder, you can just use a brush through the Gimme Brow. That's amazing. Or you can just use their Precisely Me brow pencils, and that might get you a little bit quicker with getting your brows done. However, because I do this pretty much every day, I guess I can quickly do my brows and make them look good without spending a lot of time trying to do it. So again, practice is key. And then I'm going to dip into the powder bit, and with the same brush, I just like to kind of set them a little. I love to do that through the ends and brush a little bit through the front. Perfect. Okay, so now my brow's done. I'm going to go in with the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette. This is in collab with Stacey Marie. Okay, so what I like to do is I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I like to go in with the shade Fade, and then I might transition into Basic. And then just to match my shirt, I'm going in with Mood, which is this one here for the lower lash line. My Real Techniques brush, I'm just picking up that color Fade, and I'm just very quickly just doing like an all over, just blending that out. Blend, blend, blend. I don't need something too crazy on the eyes because I am going in with the lashes. So next I'm going with Basic, and you can see that gives it more of like a pop of color. Again, I'm just going to quickly blend that out. Next I'm going in with the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, and I like to just do a little quick coat. And I do like to do the bottom as well. Okay, so now for my lashes, I'm going in with the Eylure pre-glued lashes. Now this is where it's going to save you so much time because they are already glued. All you need to do is measure, cut, stick them on, and away you go. I'm going to use my tweezers to carefully pull them out. I'm going to hold it up against my eye and just check that the length is correct. If not, I'm going to cut some off and then I'm going to stick it on. So with my tweezers, I'm just picking that up. I'm gonna come nice and close for you guys. I'm gonna look straight down and pop that straight on top. Now, when I'm happy with where it's sitting, I'm gonna push it in. Perfect. Super quick, and you guys can see how much of a difference that makes my eye look. Again, I'm going to move on to the second one. Now my lashes are on, I have so much extra time. So what I'm going to do is go into that shade Mood. I'm just going to go underneath my eyes. Okay, so now that's on, the last step I do is my lips. I'm going with a Revlon matte shade Seduction. This is a liquid lipstick. I find in cases like this, I don't want to be topping up my lips, so I am going to just pop this on. And look at that, perfect timing. So let's stop that. Perfect, so 15 minutes. So I'm going to take my hair out. So that is a full face of makeup, including lashes, done in 15 minutes. As you guys can see, it is pretty quick. You guys could probably cut a few steps out and see what else that you like. But as you guys can see, it is pretty quick. It is doable, especially with the pre-glued lashes. They are seriously the best. So come in different varieties. I'm using the Fluttery Intense. In the description below, I will leave what other ones you can get that are pre-glued, and you guys can just see that they cut out so much time and are just amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have so much more content coming your way, so please let me know anything else that you guys would like to see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to keep up to date with all of the stuff that is happening, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.